YouTube, we back at it again. We going, I'm not doing no drops today. I just got one pick. We going back up to St. Augustine again, boy. And that's what I mean by y'all got to build a rapport and relationships with these brokers. Because I swear to God, the only time I ever called this guy was for the first time I booked a load to go to St. Augustine. And ever since then, he called me. Every time he got a load, he called me. So we got one pickup. We going to Weston again. And then it dropped Monday to St. Augustine, but it's an early drop. So I'm probably going to head up like Sunday evening, afternoon type shit. Go get me a room. Because ain't no way in the hell I'm going to be able to drop it straight through on Monday morning. I got to get it there by 7 a.m. And for y'all down here in Florida, y'all already know St. Augustine, that's a 5 hour, 5 hour hike. So I would have to leave like 1 a.m., 2 a.m. That shit ain't happening. I can't function under those type of times, nigga. Fuck that shit. If I can't, y'all gonna see me on the side of the highway somewhere, looking crazy. But yeah, man, I'm about to jump off in here. We're gonna grab some fuel and then we out there. I'm just doing my pre-trip now. I got my truck running. Just making sure ain't no leaks. Obviously, we ain't got no leaks, but you know you got to check any damn way. All right, man, we out of here, man. Y'all be cool in a minute. Alright, y'all, we just getting up here now. Gotta back up to the dock. See what we got. Turn it down radio. And it's empty again, boy. I'm telling you, boy. They can send me out here anytime, boy. Please, sure. Ain't a motherfucker out here, boy. Every time I come in, this is the latest I've ever been here. Matter of fact, what time is it right now? It's 1:10 right now. I normally be out here like 8 a.m. I'm gonna get in a minute. Oh, man, shit. Yeah, man, we in here. It's hotter than a motherfucker in the truck today, boy, in the back. About to get loaded up now, though. Time to get right. Yeah, that's good.